bisa na banua ang mataliw at turang tuking bolatang sa bagun sa tala na banua sa kapabata chung na bongbong na dekan nabunoy kumuna manabunwan di kama nabunoy murbasa manamaram rock tuite nabudiga sasa nabunoa yokan matetu to muringa sa kan sa chumay umur sero donai lakolak kila mursana kila juga lakolak ing kami cunga mai ay song ni Special Olympics nunda tu matentu na sa to kan umur mata na ngona kene sup ngona ay makarita sa cunga ni nonra una numa merah kami mai na ina numurui ciku na manta nanda mata itu merbu na numa merbu mai dabita cuna na merbu mai cuna nonra i-tatau banua na nonra bagaruta cunga mai ina lomani yang baki bila sakor karena sana nama cuma ye merle mad wala tagi na non roti non dabon lakian ale wala tagi sa chibu na sota ni Special Olympics ura karena sa chibu sa na matay ba sarantang sa chibu na sarantang sa chibu na kian na wireless list na salamat chibu na lapo sa sana maci. Karena bu salamat kan sunga may na nonray tumbu na angwan eh. Karena bu nanu mamero dito kun tumay karena biga wambi bita gin cumay na lapo sunta cumay na mata. Sanda cumay manda ni soko may napunoy lalang abis wana turang na kinaka. Nangwan na ilay. Minutala na kaya na pos mataw me mo taw me wa mataw tayo na ito na lako dami chume na bongbong na nila dami chunga may na kaya na nanumi me mo may dingomi ka bosa kalunga tatay to kana ingwal sa ruba nama tato may kaya na vida na nambag sa korak kasa tong nga kaya vida na singa mesalai benyo bici sarla ko ay nabun ara nama cie merle walta ge cunga na gani bonwa bici lomai karsa kami cuma ge na bong na denda takira me murna dingoma na ya lo bakalo ka dingom cie na lako malum idan cuma na bong na denda may bol sa cuna mosan ngona siu wakaritek sa cuna ni nonray tatau sa cuna na matati Special Olympic Fiji sa tabi sa cuna murma kamu sambu kiri ni murmo ngardo sambu sulkat mana? Jadi bisa lang punya model. Nanti bisa cuma yang mengatakan dindai. Nanti bisa cuma monitor orang Kristen. Kamu akan punya video ada yang dibingkai dengan orang. Ini kita bisa buat turun.
Tumatilio. Boleh pun bola tangan di soal antam mereka yang lebih berat dari sini dindai mereka antin di memburu kan besar cuma satu sekarang mati itu mulai dulu sama kita dapat itu mulai sekarang itu orang lebih bawah lebih kapal pun besar kalau sekarang merambah lebih tinggi mulai itu orang lebih bawah mati itu biar kali biar mana itu orang terbuat mati pun bisa cuma lo punya kona dia benar pokok kena berkaya kini kalau untuk besar mati di sini dindai kalau mata kita tumbang tu satu kesalahan cuma main lama habis. Bisa menentukan masuk. Jika mana saya nak tahu tu mungkin, teman-teman tak santang kini. Mata itu puno itu satu kutikan tempat itu puno biasa nama itu kan nama budi baru di kapan. Pun besar, nama rambal roti itu nama itu orang di bawah. Mata itu biar kami biar mani tu mata dulu tu. Kalau binatang serasi menentukan bersama di sungai Jidai, kalau semua ini yang memakai kaki untuk balik tiba-tiba dari negasi-negasi saling kita serasi kalau monitor anak presiden di sana atau hanya kirim BDK salah mata na mereka lalu dulu di sini Jidai kena mana nama kena dulu misalnya cuma nonton wasa-wasa yang bunuh untuk tukar mereka tukar kali terus cuma lagi nama itu orang Kristen, karena semua beda. Oh, dia kan terlibat dengan untuk mau tahu di sini pun untuk orang sampai sini mengatakan aku mau caman. Itu kali mundur lebih kalau dia pusat. Dia lebar kali ini, dia lebar tingkat. Kemudian mau dosa. Jadi dia nanti ada menora, baru ini pilih tadi. Dona lain kerap ni tadi minta. Kata barang, atau apa terjadi itu di pingkarabi. Apa nama misalnya sekali kemudian dosa ini. Sawa, bili na tayo ng mataging dinday, di ba sa katungo? Nairay ni nundo kilaka, kinanundo rombaw ta wapunwa. Dog sampai main to, tanda mo ni rumay na. Kaya kami to sa sampai sa kamay na dito sa uti. Nambalitan ni lakalaw ni Bikara de Larusan. Sila nanuwa to sa sarili na timikir-kici. Sinigay to pas ka sumay. Saya wala wapunwa, nabangayan to naman balita tao, wala turang na teman sa andan sa sinigay. Tamu ni pun obiti, bahawa bina kasar itu. Namun tu sampai main, tu kita tahu nak kasar juga namun tu laku. Ini sini mentari orang mana lewat camani, sot sekali burung-burung. Lepas kerana kini tu sa, dia orang kasar juga kita. Salah betul nak gua, punya gua nak kita tahu sa waktu orang. Wasa namun tak kalau belum besok benar buat dia namun kalau mata, kalau mata kasar juga. Kalau coba bilang lagi untuk masih kesana rumah di sini dia sama mudik yang untuk mana kalau kita itu mana yang kalau lakukan di kali dan lebih besar di kalau mati saya coba na bilik tadi nak hukum tahu dia nggak enak kita tuh tadi naik tadi dalam besar di pulau ini kalau nggak coba nama itu orang Kristen dan itu satu mendana yang lalu benar dari dulu kita cuma mendana Yesus Kristus mana dia satu sama dah. Bora sa kaliu. Wey, do. Nal saka.
Sabinaka. First of all, I'd like to welcome you to the State House this morning. You all look good, you all look fresh, and I think I see the brightness in your eyes telling me that you guys are ready to go. And ready to go out and do what you love to do. To take your passion and take what you intended to do to represent Fiji at the Special Olympics. This morning is very special. I had just been to the Albert Park to launch the World's Oceans Day. So it's blue, so everybody's wearing blue today. Only us, not them. So together we're a team, okay? First of all, I'd like to acknowledge your parents for being here today to support you. I know to the parents, first of all, thank you for supporting your kids for these Special Olympics. I know you may have overcome challenges in the fight that you want them to be, the difficulties that you go through to get your children to be like normal kids. But you know, for me, I don't. For me, these are my special people. I'm always very supportive for the special needs and special Olympics team. For all those who have disability or whatever, I'm always just supporting them. But your support shows that the love and the care that you will not leave your child in whatever they do, and that your support is an inspiration, not only to us here but to the whole of Fiji. The hardship that you go through, you know, guiding them, supporting them, as we understand the circumstances that they go through, but you are always there, thick and thin. You try to support them and encourage them to be who they are in this world. And for those students, we may not have the might, but the only thing that I can tell you is that thank you for that love that you share with them, and that means a lot, not only to you but to everybody here in Fiji and the world. People have different views, but with the support of love that you share to your kids, to supporting them here today, is very, very special to us. This morning, my Katonivere shares me messages, and this morning is messages of love. You need to love, very important. There are so many kinds of love. Love is kind, but this love is supporting. Love is being there, carrying their shoulders and being there with them, supporting them all the way. And with that support, you inspire us here at the State House to also lend that support for you to continue, that we keep that light alive, to support our special needs to go and excel out there at the international level. Not only international level, regional. We are from the Pacific, so we have to support our kids, because this is where, I always tell people, Fiji is where a new day begins. So we are always where the light starts, So what you're doing today, you inspire other parents. There may be other parents who are too embarrassed, who have other views, but what you're doing today, you will always encourage them to do the same for their kids. Again, we're not available to you parents. And to the management, we're not available to the management that is here for the challenges, for supporting them, leaving your families, your personal time to come and support these Special Olympians, I would say, for them, to getting them prepared. It's a challenge. I know you may have limited support from government. You go through all the fundraising, come a barrel, I don't know, but this is the outcomes. I'd like to thank you again for the support that you have given to them, to be who they are, and for them to represent in what they believe in, to go out there and throw the challenge into the world. Okay, this is for you, the Olympics. Who are the Olympians today? Who is going to play? Who is going to be part of the Olympics? Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. Oh my God. You are the Special Olympians. First of all, you are special. You are special. You're special in the sense that people look at you. They look at you, they admire you. They admire who you are. They admire the gifts that you were given. They admire that the gift that God has given you. That's why people, when you go by, they look at you. Some people may think otherwise, but for you, you don't. That's why you're special. So now, you have come to another level, and you are going to represent Fiji to Germany. I'm told you guys are going to Germany, and you're going to the other part of the world. It's now nearly 12 o'clock. From there, it's midnight now. If you had told me I would come earlier, I would have changed my. I'd be going to Geneva, so I would have crossed the border to come and watch you play. But you're taking our hopes and our prayers, and you'll do good. You'll achieve greatness. Go and achieve greatness. Be who you are, inspire them, inspire yourselves to do good and to achieve greatness. You know? There's this saying, someone said, seize the moment. So seize the moment now, go and play your hearts out. Remember that if you go and achieve something, the most important thing is that now you're an Olympian. That's something that's special. Yeah? To be recognized as an Olympian, that's something else. So now, go and enjoy and have fun and come back victorious. So it is my prayers that the Almighty God will guide you and be with you all the way, and will overcome the hardships with you and overcome the challenges with you, so that you may continue to be who you are, that specialness, and also be an inspiration to other people in Fiji, in the region, and in the world. Kalunga tane lao lako, and may God bless you all. Naka.